Good morning, everyone. Let's start our assembly.
The Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. And forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
Shepherd of my soul, shepherd of my soul, I give you full control. Wherever you may be, I will follow. I have made the choice to listen for your voice. Wherever you may be, I will go. Gentle stream, the shepherd of my soul is by my side. Should I face a mighty mountain or a valley dark and deep, the shepherd of my soul will be my guide. Shepherd of my soul, I give you full control. Choice to listen for your voice. Wherever you may be, I will go. Be it in a quiet pasture or by a gentle stream, the shepherd of my soul is by my side. And should I face a mighty mountain or a valley dark and deep, the shepherd of my soul will be my guide. Lord, you're the shepherd of my soul, and I give you full control. Wherever you may be, I will follow. I have made the choice to listen for your voice. Wherever you may be, I will go. Wherever you need me, wherever you may be, I will go.
Hello, everyone. Thought for the day. You learn something every day if you pay attention. I repeat, You learn something every day if you pay attention. Exactly. If you pay attention to small thing in your house or sidewise, you will come to know something new. So it's very much important that you have to pay attention. You have to be attentive every time so that you can learn small thing or simple thing. So thought for the day again I repeat it. You learn something every day if you pay attention. Thank you and have a good day.